Hi there, this is Paul Pana from the Video App Suite team. In this quick demo, I want to show you how powerful and easy to use Video App Suite really is, and then I'm going to show you how to get results as quickly as humanly possible using the multiple revenue streams that are built into the Video App Suite package. Now, Video App Suite is a powerhouse suite of 8 brand new high-quality video apps that are designed not just to get you clients by selling video creation services as an agency using the included commercial license, but for the very first time ever, we're also including a complete turnkey ready-made software business box, which gives you the ability to resell all the 8 apps as your own and keep 100% of the revenues that you generate. This is the only way to build your own lucrative software business without all the hassles, costs, and the huge amount of time involved. This is a true shortcut to skyrocketing your results by using our decades of experience, because each app comes with its own professionally designed sales pages, sales videos, and marketing materials created by our world-class team of copywriters, graphic designers, and video animators with decades of experience. Nothing is left to chance, as we are including everything that you need to succeed here. Before I show you what each app does, let me quickly show you the 3 ways that you can profit using the revolutionary Video App Suite package. The first way that you're probably already familiar with is use Video App Suite apps to create videos for other clients around the world using the commercial license that is included. For instance, you can use platforms like Upwork.com, which is one of the top freelancer websites, or freelancer.com, Fiverr, or even for that matter to offline businesses and so on, or existing clients that you already have. We'll show you in our step-by-step training how to get these clients and so on. But either way, you can right away jump in and do that. As you can see here, this one is for a dentist, charges $800 just for a 30-second video. Here's another example. This is for a yoga studio here. And as you can see here, again, a 30-second video is $1,000 or more. And this is the power of it. A lot of people are creating videos for clients and businesses because video is hot, and charging them $500 to $1,000 or more for just one video. And since you can create any type of video that you desire with Video App Suite, you too can do the same, just like the folks that you see here. The second way, which has never been done before, is to resell the video apps themselves that are included as part of the Video App Suite package to clients and customers around the world for a recurring subscription or a one-time fee. It is your choice. This right here immediately builds your brand and customer base, and it costs hundreds of thousands of dollars even when you know what you're doing, and months of time and effort. Let me show you some examples just so you get an idea of how much we are spending just for software development and hosting these apps on the cloud for you so you don't have to. I'm logged into Upwork.com, where we hire majority of our developers and programmers. As you can see, we are spending anywhere between $3,900 to $6,546 every single week. And if we go back again, last month again, on and on and on, keep going, 3,000 here, 4,000 here, and on. And this is just for the development costs. And if we can go a step further, this is our Amazon's Web Services account. As you can see, last month we spent $2,440 right here just for hosting our apps and maintenance and so on. And next month is projected to be a lot more here, and so far already at $1,700 here. As you can see here in Google Cloud Platform, which is another server infrastructure that we use to host all the apps in the cloud, storage for the videos that you create, the project files and all that. Well, as you can see here, $7,453.27 right now as we speak every single month. Now, this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you add in technical support, that's over $60,000 here, and copywriting, graphic design can be several thousands of dollars for just one app. And now you can see how powerful something like this is. Since something like Video App Suite has never been done before, the truth is we have no idea how much money we might make or lose with this project. We just have one goal in mind, and that is to provide you the most valuable product ever created in the industry. So we will most likely never do anything like this ever again for any price due to the incredible costs and ongoing maintenance involved here. Our loss is your gain here for the very first time ever. In fact, SaaS apps like the ones you're getting as a part of Video App Suite sell thousands and thousands of units every single day in platforms like AppSumo that you see here, or for example, PitchGround that you see here, or for that matter, even platforms like JVZoo. If you see here carefully, the top products out of countless different software and products that get listed here every single day are video apps. As you can see here, this one has sold tens of thousands of units. This one right here is another example, a few tens of thousands more. And if we come back to our own apps that were bestsellers worldwide, again, all video creation apps. As you can see here, tens of thousands here. This is another one. Again, tens of thousands here. There's another one. Again, tens of thousands of units here. If we look at the broader market, Vimeo recently acquired short form video creation platform, which is fully cloud-based, called Magisto for $200 million. And Magisto has hundreds of millions of users. And it's just one out of several different platforms which also have similar size. And that shows to you how big this market really is. And there's no way you're going to run into saturation at all. All right, now let me show you how each app really works and how you can get awesome results with them. Let's start with Intro Outro Expert. Now you can create slick, eye-catching intros and outros for your videos in just a few minutes. You get a great selection of templates as well as easily customizable elements so you can get exactly the look that you want. It's proven that intros and outros grab attention and give your videos a more professional, high-end look. Intro Outro Expert lets you do all that and a whole lot more. Next, there is Cover Pro. Now, it's easier than ever to create super awesome video covers for your Facebook pages as well as for your clients. Replace those static, boring image covers with super slick video intros that will positively wow your audience. Video covers are proven to increase visitor engagement, sharing, and yes, traffic. Use Cover Pro to create eye-catching video covers and boost your Facebook page's visibility while crushing your competition. Then there's Live Mockup. Now it's easier than ever to add logos, images, and other graphical elements to live action video scenes. Mockup videos are a great way to create fun video or GIF memes, catchy shorts, and other cool video styles. They're proven to grab viewers' attention like crazy while delivering incredible results. Here's a great way to leverage social media to build your brand with Live Mockup. It's super easy. That brings us to Slide Machine. Now you can easily create videos with slides, images, and other elements to produce super slick video presentation. You get total control over all elements and customizations with just a few clicks, drags, and drops. Add your own text, images, and other items to turn boring slideshow presentation videos into eye-popping, highly engaging pro-class presentations. With Slide Machine, you can do all that and a whole lot more. And then we have Story Monarch. Now you can create beautiful, visually rich Instagram and Facebook story videos with zero effort. Everybody knows that video stories are scorching the social media world these days. With Story Monarch, you can easily tap this growing hot medium to get more engagement, fans, leads, and of course, sales. Don't forget, you can do the same thing for high-paying clients with the awesome videos that you'll create for them with Story Monarch in just a few minutes. Then there's Whiteboarder, which creates whiteboard videos that are proven to increase engagement and boost sharing. With the included app, you can create super slick attention-grabbing whiteboard videos. It's perfect for video promos, ad spots, mini explainers, and feature clips that you can add to other videos with a collection of included templates that you can easily churn out high-quality whiteboard videos in a matter of minutes. That brings us to Video Ads Architect. Ever notice that square videos and video ads dominate social media much more than the standard rectangular YouTube style videos? That's because they provide a better viewing experience for mobile users. With Video Ads Architect, you can easily create square videos and even convert your existing videos to square format with just a few clicks. You get a full array of tools and templates that make it a total piece of cake. And finally, there's custom video effects. If you've ever wanted to improve an existing video with snazzy elements such as lower thirds, text animations, and other cool elements, search no more. Add super cool text effects and other eye-catching visual elements to completely transform any dull video into a work of art. You can convert the shape or orientation of any video so it works better on social media. Custom video effects breathes new life into dull videos and much more. Do you see all the exciting possibilities yet? Video App Suite will be the very last video app bundle you will ever need, as it gives you every possible avenue to profit with video, even ones that were previously out of your budget before. In fact, if you were to try to build a package like this on your own, it will cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars and many years of time, even if you do everything perfectly right and know exactly what you're doing. So what are you waiting for? Get this right away, because once this limited time special deal ends, this page will be closed forever and you will miss out. So don't delay any longer. Get instant access to Video App Suite right away on this page.